Previous episode I talked about how to draw the a line that is our approximate length to an arc. Now in this episode I'll be giving you an alternative method of finding the approximate length of an arc, and we're still going to be using the same question in the previous video, but in this case it's very simple. All you need to do is you draw a line segment. So line segment, then you note the edges of that line. So now you open your compass to a small radius, and then you begin to transfer those radius. You transfer the points from the curve. You make it very small so that it will be able to cancel out those aberrations. So just point it and transfer that point to the line. So this is it's not very accurate, but it's very useful to save time. So mark a point with that same radius and then transfer the radius on the line. So it's as if you are transferring the approximate length of that curve. So mathematically, this is similar to the approximations you make when you are calculating the when you are integrating an infinitely small strip on a drawing. So we transfer each of these divisions. So just keep transferring. Or assume they have approximate length to the sections of that arc. Now do that. Make sure they are small divisions. Transfer the divisions. So we'll keep transferring till we get to the end of this arc, which is B. We'll keep transferring till we get to B. Transfer, then finally we transfer and transfer. Now you can see that the remaining portion is not up to that segment. So what we're going to do, we are going to open to that small remaining part. So we're going to transfer those remaining parts. Now from the first cut, A complement to the last B complement, that would represent the approximate length of the arc. So let's draw a straight line to thicken it. So this is the approximate length of this arc AB.